this. Correlated only work on same table? No, it is not that we have to use correlated on same table. It can work on different tables also. Can we write like this? So what she has written, let me see. This is what Shweta have shared. So first of all, let us run this. We can, but 1 and 2, I think using a alias would be difficult or problematic because this 1 and 2 is actually a number. So instead, you can write A and B if you want, but avoid the direct numbers you cannot write. So you can write A and B. You can write P1, P2, product 1, product 2, but do not go for simple numbers. Okay. 1 2 मत लिखो, P1 P2 A B C D करके कुछ भी लिख लो, but don't go for 1 2 3 4. Here the category ID there is spelling mistake I think or something. Product A, product B, A dot category, B dot category. अच्छा close नहीं है यहाँ पे. Right, so that is what we get. So subquery में तो इतना ही है. That is what we have. And this from का example यहाँ पे मैंने दिखाया जैसे. Right. So this is select using subquery to fetch another column. ठीक है. Is an example of from. Key points to remember in case of subquery. पहले तो it can be used with clauses like where, from, select. Must be enclosed within a parenthesis. Can return single or multiple rows. Correlated subqueries. Select data from outer query and is executed once for every row process for the outer query. Cardinality is a theoretical concept. ये क्या होता है एक बार पढ़ लेना. It refers to the uniqueness and relationship between set of data. So when we have two different tables and उसमें कुछ relationship है, so it is called as cardinality. Right? From an interview perspective, it might be important. 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to many. क्या होता है? So if you go back here in the data set and you see this company DB, not Kochek, but company DB, right? Company DB. Okay. So here you can see that there is a relationship between two tables. A relationship between department table and the employee table. Can you tell me what kind of relationship this is? This is 1 to many. Why? Because for one department ID here, there could be many department IDs here. So this is a 1 to many relationship. ठीक है, अगर बोल दे employees का department के साथ, तो it is a many to one relationship. And if both of them has repeated values, तो वो हो जाएगा many to many. If both of them has unique values, तो हो जाएगा 1 to 1. This is just what cardinality is. So just go through it theoretically. This is more than enough for you to understand. And I am copy pasting this question in the chat box for you. And I'm giving you time to practice it on your own. So this is what we have covered today, subqueries. And I will share this PDF also with you. This queries also you will get on your LMS. But one more thing, like we still have time. Do you want to start with a new topic or do you want to start tomorrow with a new topic? Because we would be starting with views and indexes. So if you want, we can start with views. Otherwise, we can start tomorrow also.
We need to practice this, so I think it should not mix both the things at the same time, because query subquery is little hard to understand. So I think better we start.
Subqueries, you need to give time even when you will do, like if today you get some time, you do some questions, and tomorrow we start with a fresh topic, right? Still, you would have to practice subqueries and joins within weekdays or whenever you get time, even after SQL is complete, because this does take time. So this all would be shared, but if we have time, then before leaving the session, I would want you to solve one question on joins, and then you are free to leave. So you have to list name of employees. Those who are able to solve this can drop off and can practice their own. So the theory part for today's session, I think, is covered. But just before going, Try to do this question and the total number of orders placed by each customer. Okay, I will use a multi-line comment here. Okay, so this is the question that you have to do. I'm copy pasting in the chat box. Try it and share the solution in like using a direct message to me. And those who solve this are free to leave the session. Otherwise, I will give you complete 15 minutes to solve this. At 10 o'clock, I will share the solution with you. If you want
Saurav,
anything, if you want anything,
sorry,
yes,
sorry to interrupt you.
yes, yes, please.
Actually, I wanted to ask कि आपके पास जो पीडीएफ है, जो theoretical part वाला, वो shared है क्या LMS पे?
हाँ, वो LMS when you will open LMS ना, तो ऐसे सेशन 1, सेशन 2, सेशन 3, सेशन 4 रहता है. टॉप में देयर वुड बी SQL स्टडी मटेरियल करके होगा एक. तो उसमें सारे पीडीएफ अपलोडेड होंगे, लाइक PDF1, PDF2, PDF3, जॉइंस, SQL सब क्वेरीज, वो टॉपिक वाइज अपलोडेड होंगे वहां पर.
Thank you.
ओके. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये सब क्वेरीज वाले क्वेश्चन सारे कर लो आराम से. वॉट एवर क्वेश्चन यू हैव, उसमें कोई डाउट होता है, एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क. देन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव जस्ट कॉपी पेस्टेड. इसमें भी अगर कोई डाउट होता है और यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, देन डू आस्क फॉर हिंट्स. ठीक है, इफ यू आर स्टक समवेयर एंड यू थिंक ये हो सकता है बट इसमें एक दो चीज कुछ गलत हो रही है, सो डू आस्क दैट सो दैट मे बी यू कैन build the logic on the same. Okay, so I'll give you till 10 o'clock to solve this question and then we will share the solution of the same. ओके सो हुआ किसी से? एनीवन सॉल्व दिस? Okay, so I will write the solution here for you. But did you guys try? What issues you face? Anything? Are you still trying? Okay, I think a lot of you felt asleep, or maybe you went back to watch India versus Australia. So let me write it here for you. You have to do select E dot first name. Let me change the database first to Northwind. Right. So E dot first name plus I will just concatenate E dot last name as employee name, comma C dot company name as customer name, and count of O dot order ID as total orders. Now this is my select statement. After this I have to do join. So I will write from employees E join orders O on E dot employee ID is equal to O dot employee ID, right? Then I will join customers C on C dot customer ID is equal to, sorry, O dot customer ID is equal to C dot customer ID. Okay, this is whole, but because I've used the aggregated function here, this count, I will have to use a group by, and group by किससे करेंगे? C dot company name, comma E dot first name. Okay, you run this, you will get the, okay, so employees dot last name is invalid. Yes, we have to do E dot last name also, I think यहाँ पे, and then we'll get the order. So these are the name of the employees, these are the name of the customers that they are serving, and ये total orders per employee कितने उन्होंने serve किए. So that was the final question for today. I hope it is clear to you. इसमें कोई doubt, कोई question किसी को? Anything? Okay. So yes, anyone? Any questions? Any doubts?
No.
Okay, great. So I will share this file in the LMS, and ये question भी मैं chat box में डाल देता हूँ in case you want to practice. And that would be all for today's session, everyone. Thank you for joining. If there are no doubts and no queries, then I would be concluding the session for the day. Sub queries थोड़ा सा देख लेना, practice कर लेना the questions that we have done today. Even one more thing that I've shared assignments in the Telegram group yesterday. तो जो मैंने share किए हैं, पहला वाला तो rather simple है, दूसरे वाले में there are a group of questions based on the topic. So try them. The solution would be shared by next week, Thursday of next week. And if you face any doubt, you can ask me or you can ask in the doubt solving session also. So yeah, that would be all for today, everyone. Thank you for
So,
joining. And
so are you uploading these notes on LMS?
the PDF one or the queries?
The query and the PDF for both.
Yes, so the queries are uploaded within the session. Let me just show you. So here you can see the theory part is uploaded here. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे विंडोज फंक्शन केस अभी हम लोग ने किया नहीं है, बट टिल सब क्वेरीज वी हैव डन. तो सब क्वेरी जॉइंस एंड सेट 1 2 3 में बेसिक फॉर्मूला एंड एग्रीगेटेड फंक्शन होगा. सो यू कैन एक्सेस फ्रॉम देयर. ठीक है, इट इज देयर इन द टॉप ओनली एसक्यूएल स्टडी मटेरियल. एंड हियर आई हैव अपलोडेड द असाइनमेंट्स ऑन नॉर्थविंड. एंड जो क्वेरीज होती है ना, दैट यू विल गेट विद इन द सेशन. तो जो सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग होगी उसके नीचे यू विल गेट द एसक्यूएल फाइल ऑल्सो. Okay, so you can download this, and this is the file that you can use to copy the queries if you want to. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so ये recording भी हो
So,
जाएगी upload afternoon तक, so you can access.
so I
Yes,
have a
Satya.
doubt. Like, every time after working on this server management studio, we have to save it, right?
Yes, you have to save it. Let me
And
show you. So, mhm.
every time